Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing for the POCO F1 phone, and it came in this unique box. So let's just open it up and have a look. And as you can see, we have the phone itself and POCO F1 it says. And let's press this. So this, I think so they are implying that it has that liquid cooling. So here is the phone. Let me just take this out and let's continue with the unboxing. So here is the POCO F1 smartphone, and as you can see, it's a Xiaomi product, and the model number is F1. And as you can see, they have sent us the 8GB RAM variant of this device. This is a review unit, guys. So as you can see, I don't know the pricing, but the Xiaomi team has mentioned that the pricing will be very aggressive, and they'll also have a 6GB variant that comes with 64GB of storage. And I don't know the pricing as of now. I'm opening this box before the launch, so I don't know the pricing, but I've heard rumors that the pricing will be very aggressive, around the 25,000 for the base variant. If that's true, it will be great. Again, I'll have the details about the pricing in the YouTube description area. And as you can see, it's powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset, and the big thing is that it has liquid cooling, they say, dual camera, and it also clearly mentions that it has dual VoLTE support and a 4000 milliamp hour battery. So let's quickly just open this up, and this 8GB RAM variant comes with the Kevlar back. So that's what it is, and let's open this up. Some paperwork, and looks like we'll also have a case here. So it says POCO F1, and the manual is in English, guys, and other regulatory stuff. I'll just remove that, and let's look at the case. And so you're getting a TPU case. So finally was able to take this out, and it says again 845 liquid cooling, AI camera with dual pixel autofocus and 4000 milliamp hour battery, it says. Let's just take this out, and yeah, and it's supposed to have a 6.18 inch screen, almost a 6.2 inch screen, and it has the notch design. And as I mentioned, this back is actually Kevlar for the 8GB RAM variant. The regular ones are going to have a polycarbonate back and multiple colors. The blue one actually looks actually really cool. Also have a red one and some others. So let me just take this out. So this is what it is from the back, and it says POCO over here by Xiaomi at the bottom. Let me keep this to the side. And by the way, if you apply the case, it looks like this. With the case, actually it looks like it's having a glass back, but no, it's not a glass back. This is actually a Kevlar back. So let me keep this to the side, and USB Type-C port and SIM ejector tool. No earbuds, again Xiaomi doesn't bundle them. And good thing is that finally they are bundling a fast charger, and this is a Qualcomm Quick Charger 3 that you're getting out of the box. So that's actually a good thing. So that's what we get in the box. Let me keep these things to the side, and let's have a look at the handset itself. So here we have the handset itself. Let me first give you a physical overview. Here we have the secondary noise cancellation microphone and no IR blaster on this, 3.5mm headphone jack, volume rockers, and power on off button on this end. And this is actually made up of metallic. The body bottom USB Type-C with fast charging support. One vent would be the speaker, and here we have the SIM tray. Let's look at the SIM tray configuration, and it will be hybrid, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's a hybrid solution, guys. So 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card slot that you can put. So that's what it is. And as it's having that Kevlar back, it's not actually heavy, though it's having a 4000 milliamp hour battery. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me just try to power this on, and we'll boot it up. So it says POCO by Xiaomi, and let's see the boot animation, because this is a new brand by Xiaomi. I'm also curious what would be the animation screen. It just says powered by Android, and it's going to have a Gorilla Glass 3, so nothing much. It just says MIUI. So I'll just set this up. In the meantime, here are the specs for the POCO F1. It's having a 6.18 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen in the 18.7:9 aspect ratio with a notch design. It has Gorilla Glass 3. It's powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset. The 8GB RAM variant comes with 256GB of storage, and the 6GB RAM variant will come with 64 or 128GB of storage. It also has face lock with IR blasters, Moving to the camera, it has a dual camera setup. The main camera is a 12 megapixel and the secondary camera is a 5 megapixel for depth sensing, and the front facing camera is a 20 megapixel shooter. It also has 4000 milliamp hour battery and it supports Qualcomm quick charging 3. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device. Again, it's running on MIUI version 9, and but the launcher is actually different. If you swipe from here, you get the app tray. Generally, we don't get that with the default Xiaomi devices, and you can just swipe this away to go back. And again, a bunch of apps, Google apps are sort of pre-installed, and tools, and some Xiaomi specific apps and some third-party apps. And I believe this will be sold in India via Flipkart. I'll have the link in the description area. And if you go over here, we have the quick toggles over here, and it already found some updates. But let's see, under the hood already says it has an update. If we go to about the phone, as you can see, it says POCO F1, and the Android version is 8.1. I did ask the Xiaomi team and they said that Android P update will be coming to this device in the next couple of months. And in terms of Android security update, they said at least once in about 2 months we should be getting on this one. And as you can see, it's clocked at 2.8 gigahertz. It's a Snapdragon 845. And this is the 8 gigabyte variant. And out of that, 256 GB, about 243 GB is available to us. So that's what it is. And it also has this notch design, as you can see, and it also has IR camera, they say. So if you use the face unlocking feature, even in pitch darkness when there's no light, the face unlocking feature will actually work. So let me do one thing, guys. I have set up the fingerprint scanner over here. It's here, easily reachable, and as you can see, it's really fast. As you can turn, play, protect, or whatever it says. So I'll just accept that, but let me actually set up even the face unlocking feature and see how well it works. Also regarding navigation, as you can see, by default it has this this for your multitasking, this is for your home, and this is for your back, but there is also a gesture mechanism. Let me enable that and show it to you. And guys, as I was mentioning, we also have gesture-based navigation on this. By default, it's on the button. Let's just set this to full screen option. And this one is much better. As you can see, now we are in this full screen mode. The buttons are gone. And let's say you are in any app or like this. I'll just allow this. To go back to your home screen, you just do like this. But for multitasking, you just hold it. This is like the iPhone 10 that you do, but for the back it's actually good. Let me open up the browser and let's say I'm gonna accept this data, whatever, no thanks. Let's just say you go to any site like this. Let's say you want to go back. Now from this side you can just do like this, or even from this you can just do this gesture and it goes back. So they have implemented a nice way of gestures if you don't want those buttons over here. So that's what it is. And I have also enabled face unlocking, and guys, it's very fast. Let me show you. If I just press the button, it just unlocks. So the face unlocking is very fast. And because of this IR blaster, they say that this will actually work in complete pitch darkness also. But again, no denying that the notch, again, let me go to the settings, is actually pretty big on this one. But yeah, if you really want, you can hide the notch. That option is there in the settings. So let's just go back, and now let's have a look at the camera on this one. And the camera interface again is what do you say, looks like the Xiaomi typical camera interface that we have seen in other devices. So we have the tap to focus, and the shutter speed is good. We also have the portrait mode here. Let's go over here to the front facing camera. Again, it's a autofocus. So as you can see, we have the portrait mode, and you're getting that background blur with this. Yeah, initial impressions, it looks like it's doing a good job in the portrait mode even with the front facing camera. But let me actually take some sample shots and show you so that you have a better idea how is the camera performance. But before that, here is a word from the sponsor of this video, that is Mivi.in. Mivi Thunderbeat Bluetooth earphones look stylish with metallic body. You can take phone calls and it supports passive noise cancellation. The ear hooks fit securely and stay in place even when you are working out or running. With Qualcomm CSR Bluetooth IC, the music quality is amazing and has great battery life. It has HD stereo sound with super solid bass. It supports aptX codec with lossless wireless audio. Use coupon code Geekyranjit15 at Mivi.in to get 15% discount on all Mivi products. See link in the description below for more info. So guys, here are some of the sample shots that I have shot with this POCO F1 smartphone in my office in artificial lighting conditions. And initial impressions, the camera looks to be actually good even in artificial lighting conditions. And here are some of the sample shots that I have shot in my roof garden with this POCO F1. And as you can see, it seems to do actually a good job in terms of camera performance. And here are some of the selfies with the 20 megapixel front facing camera of this POCO F1. And it also does that portrait mode with the front facing camera. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this POCO F1 smartphone. It'll be interesting to see how Xiaomi prices this, and even the base variant that comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage shouldn't be a problem because it's having a hybrid slot, but it'll depend on the pricing. We are hearing rumors that the base variant might be priced under rupees 25,000, and if that happens, it would be a game changer. Anyways, what do you guys think about this POCO F1 smartphone? If you have any other questions regarding this device, do post them in the YouTube comment section below. I will be doing a FAQ video and a full in-depth review for this device very soon. So if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.